Hi, as it's such a sunny day, I thought I'd bring you some reasons to be cheerful about your finances from this week. The first one is wage growth is rising at 2.8% over the year. Even if that doesn't affect you directly, it means that probably companies are looking to increase rather than keep wages flat. So potentially good news for you if you haven't actually got that pay rise yet. And inflation data that came out today showed a fall in inflation from 2.7% to 2.5%. This is good news because it means price growth is slowing while wage growth is rising, which means we can afford more stuff or we can afford to save more. And the good news, if you're thinking about saving more, is that interest rates are likely to rise next month. 85%, there's an 85% chance, according to the money markets, that they will go up. Which, if you're a borrower, might not sound like a great thing unless you're on a fixed rate mortgage deal. If you're a saver, though, it is good news because savings rates have been so rubbish for so long. So a rate rise, thumbs up. House price growth, it's actually slowed slightly from 4.7% to 4.4% over the year, but this is still a reason to be cheerful, I think, because most of the price growth that we have had has been in the regions, so outside London and the southeast. And in London and the southeast, it's actually been fairly flat. So most price rises now are being experienced by those regions that didn't have such great price growth since the financial crisis. So good news there. And finally, a last little bit of good news from 7IM, the investment platform. They've said that for the first time, a sustainable fund is in their top 10 most popular. So the fund is called the Lion Trust Sustainable Corporate Bond Fund, and it's in 7th place in the top 10 most popular funds on their platform. It might not sound like a big deal, but sustainable funds still make up a tiny percentage of the market. So actually for this one to be in the top 10 most popular is quite significant, and it shows a shift, you might say, among investor confidence, among investors in their confidence in sustainable investing. So that's your reasons to be cheerful on this sunny day from Good with Money. Thanks.